Today I will be showing you how to make a paper airplane. The materials you're going to need are a piece of paper, an eraser, a pencil, markers, color pencils, and crayons. The color pencils, markers, and crayons are all optional. First, take your piece of paper and fold the corners like this. Make sure to press it down so they don't pop up. Next, fold it again, like so. This time, press it down again. Just do it longer. Next, fold the paper airplane in half. Then press down. Next, take out your pencil and put a marking near the middle of the paper airplane's bottom. Right here is where I'm going to put mine. Next, fold on that marking and press down. Next, flip it and fold so the edges match up, like so. Next, flip it again and open up the fold with the marking. Next, erase the marking and fold it back in. Then you're done with your paper airplane. Now you can color it with markers, color pencils, and crayons. And that's how you make a paper airplane.